welcome back to my channel. This is me, Inu Hangma Subba. I hope you all are doing good. It's been a long since I last uploaded my previous video or vlog. Today I'm heading towards Dharamshala with my friend and my sister. I hope you'll enjoy my travel vlog. So welcome to my travel vlog. Let's get started. After hours on the road, we are finally here at the beautiful town of Dharamshala, ready to explore this amazing place. Our first stop is the famous Vaksunak temple, dedicated to Lord Shiva. It's a peaceful spot surrounded by green hills with local devotees offering prayers. The temple has such a calming vibe, perfect for starting our trip. Now, after having breakfast, we are heading to the Vaksunak Waterfall. Vaksunak Waterfall is a peaceful escape for those looking to immerse themselves in the natural beauty of the Himalayas, while also enjoying a bit of adventure and culture along the way. The trek is short, about 1 kilometer walk from the temple. The views are totally worth it as the trail takes us through lush scenery and fresh mountain air. Here we are at Vaksunak Waterfall. The water cascades down with so much energy. It's beautiful to just stand here, listening to the sound of the falls, such a refreshing experience. After the waterfall, we decided to check out the street shops around Vaksunak. From handmade craft to cozy scarves, there is so much to browse. The colors and variety here makes the shopping experience really fun. Next, after having lunch, we headed over to the Dalai Lama monastery. Unfortunately, we couldn't capture much footage inside. We wrapped up the day with a magical sunset, watching the sky turn warm shades of orange. Good morning. After a filling breakfast, we are off to Getho Monastery. This place is a peaceful retreat known for its beautiful prayer flags and calm surroundings. It's smaller but very peaceful. Now we are at Narbulinka Institute, a center dedicated to preserving Tibetan culture. The gardens here are beautifully maintained and the buildings are designed in traditional Tibetan style. We also saw artisans working on stunning handcrafted items, definitely a must visit for anyone interested in Tibetan art and history. In the evening, we headed to Mall Road in Mcleodganj. This area is popular for shopping and the energy here is amazing. There is a mix of tourists and locals, along with so many small cafes and food stalls to try out. A great place to end our second day. Today we are heading to Nadi Viewpoint by auto. After a short walk, we reach the viewpoint. And wow, the views are incredible. We are looking at the mighty Dhuladhar range. The mountains feel so close and the fresh mountain air is just amazing. Next, we visited the lake. Sadly, it's mostly dry at the time of year due to seasonal water changes, but the area around the lake is still beautiful for a quiet walk. We took a stroll along the paths, enjoying the peaceful atmosphere. Next, we also visited St. John's Church, a historic stone church tucked away in the forest. Its old architecture and peaceful settings make it a memorable stop. After all the sightseeing, we treated ourselves to some local snacks, fresh fruits, spicy laughing, and delicious momos. Our perfect way to end our last day here. With happy hearts and wonderful memories, it's time to say goodbye to Dharamshala. Thank you for joining us on this amazing journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more adventures. Thank you.